joining me. I'm Jill Bloom, Group Publisher of Roofing Contractor, and welcome to our Best of Success podcast show. It's such an honor to have with me today Scott Brennan, who is the SVP of Eagleview.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Jill.
Scott, thanks so much for joining me.
Thank you so much.
Well, there's always a lot going on at Eagleview. I mean, you guys, it's technology, it's hype, it's fun to always figure out what's next. But there's some new things happening at Eagleview. And the first thing is you've got a new logo and a new brand. Tell us kind of how that came about.
Yeah, we brought the bird back. So for years we've been going with the E and the green gradient. We're making a lot of changes at Eagleview. We're starting to drive more of a data-first solution to our customers. We launched Eagleview One, which I'm sure we'll talk about. But
oh yeah, that's on my list.
That's right. So I figured, so we believed it was best to bring something new, fresh, bold colors, bring the bird back, and really let everyone know that we're bringing a lot of new stuff to the industry.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. You got to bring the bird back. I mean, that's, when your name's Eagleview, how can you not have a bird?
Got to have a bird.
Well, let's talk about Eagleview One.
Yep.
It's a new digital experience. What does everybody need to know?
Yeah, so we're taking Eagleview One and we've streamlined a lot of different data, a lot of different solutions all into one, and we're packaging up for our customers, right? So everything from the measurement data that you know and love to additional analytics, a digital experience on how those measurements come through on our platform. And we look to keep bringing more and more data solutions to help our customers make informed decisions on top of funnel, all the way to installation. So
very cool. And so how that's when you talk about services like that, the details when it comes to the digital. Mm-hmm. What are the features and benefits that really are the best takeaways for contractors? What that help the contractor?
Absolutely. So we are starting to bring in more, first of all, our bread and butter is the imagery that we capture. So we fly aircraft year-round, capture really high-resolution imagery. We want to start giving access of all that imagery to our customers so they can, before they even go out to the property, they can see what it looks like. They need, where are the dumpsters going, where are the ladders supposed to go. Also, we bring in a 3D model that you can then manipulate and get better answers really quickly, right? On how much ridge cap I'm going to leak, just click it and you can take that and export it and put a material order together. Or the data that we are starting to produce through our machine learning and our computer vision technologies.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah.
Well, tell me more about these data products.
Sure. So what we're able to do now is we're able to take our imagery and we're able to derive a whole lot of data from it. Roof condition, roof age, the total squares of a property. For years, customers or contractors have been able to get access to qualifications for a homeowner, right? As far as the propensity to buy, things like that. We're qualifying the actual structures itself. Does this need a new roof? Is this roof old? Should you, as you're looking at your top of funnel as leads coming in, how do you qualify that and prioritize it, right? We want to help you make those decisions so you're sending the right guy out for the right project.
I love it. Well, you know what, Scott, let's start from the beginning for a hot minute because by chance there's somebody that's listening that's never heard of Eagleview, which I have a hard time believing.
Sure.
What exactly is Eagleview and why do contractors need to be working with Eagleview?
Sure. So Eagleview is the most accurate aerial data provider in the country. We take our aerial imagery and we're able to derive all sorts of data around properties, specifically roof measurements and siding measurements, right? So if you want the most accurate bid, you want the most accurate production on a roof, the Eagleview is the way to go.
I love it. And how long has Eagleview been around?
2008.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. And so if anybody has any questions, they want to sign up, they want to be a customer, where do they go? How do they find out more?
Eagleview.com.
Well, that's easy.
Yeah.
All right. Well, and thank you so much, Scott. And if anybody has any questions for us, it's roofingcontractor.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up for all our free content. Make sure you stay safe and healthy, and we can't wait to talk to you soon. Scott, thanks again for joining me.
Hey, thank you, Joe.